Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about market weekly report. So let us start. So Sensex Nifty 50 underperformed in this week. Nifty closed around 14,750 and corrected nearly 2%. Bank Nifty also corrected more than 3% and closed around 34,130. So let us discuss how we have to trade Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty in coming week. Nifty 50 already corrected more than 2% in this week. Luckily, due to short covering, some of the losses have been covered on last Friday. So in coming week, Nifty we have to in Nifty 50 we have to see whether it sustains above 40,500 or not. So basically, last 40 days onwards, Nifty 50 is trading in a narrow range from downside 14,500 and upside 15,300. But in this week, it has broken 14,500 support in downside. So it touch around 14,300 and luckily on Friday due to short covering it closed above 14,500. So we have to see in next week whether it sustains above 14,500 in Nifty. If sustains above 14,500, then we can expect 15,000 in coming week. There is a psychological level around 15,000. If Nifty 50 crosses 15,000, then we can expect 15,300 target in coming week. So for that, if for that we have to see whether there is a bond yields, how they will react, and if there is any coronavirus cases are rising or not, and crude if sustains in this level around 63 or below 60, it is definitely positive to our Indian markets. Then coming to Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank corrected more than 3% in this week and closed around 35,000, 34,150. So Bank Nifty also trading in a narrow range since 40 days. That is from 34,800 to 37,500. But in this week, it has been broken this lower boundary, that is 34,800. It closed below 34,800. It is a negative for Bank Nifty in coming week. So before going to trade in Bank Nifty, we have to see whether Bank Nifty sustains above 34,000 or not. 34,000 is a strong support. So in coming week, if Bank Nifty manages to close above 34,000, then we can expect 35,000 target. If crosses 35,000 target, then we can expect 36,000 in coming week. In coming to downside in Bank Nifty, if Bank Nifty cannot sustain above 34,000 level, then there will be a sharp correction and there will be a support 33,500. If Bank Nifty cannot manage the support 33,500, then there will be more downside and it will correct around 33,000. So in Bank Nifty we have to see if it sustains above 34,000. If it sustains above 34,000 level, we have to go long in Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty cannot sustain above 34,000, then we have to go short in Bank Nifty. Similar to Nifty, if Nifty 50 closes above 14,500 or sustaining above 14,500 in coming week, then we have to go long positions. If Nifty 50 cannot sustain above 14,500, then we have to go short in Nifty 50. So in Nifty 50, 14,500 support is a crucial level and Bank Nifty 34,000 is a crucial level in coming week. So this is how we have to trade in Bank Nifty and Nifty 50 in coming week. Thank you.